In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do at your current domain provider and inside Squarespace so the move is smooth and stress-free. We'll start by preparing your domain with your current provider. Make sure the domain is unlocked and the transfer lock, sometimes called registrar lock, is turned off. Confirm it's eligible to transfer. Most domains can't move within 60 days of being registered or after certain contact changes. If you use WHOI's privacy, ensure you can still receive transfer-related emails. It also helps to glance at your DNS records and expiry date so there are no surprises during the move. Next, get your authorization code, also known as an EPP or transfer code, from your current provider. You'll either find it in your domain settings or receive it by email. Treat this code like a password and keep it handy. You'll paste it into Squarespace shortly. Before leaving your current provider, verify your contact information there. The registrant and admin email addresses should be current and accessible, since transfer approvals and confirmations are often sent to those addresses. Now head to Squarespace and log into your account. From your site's dashboard, open Settings. In Settings, select Domains and Emails. Choose Use a domain I own. When prompted, enter the full domain you're transferring, including the extension, and continue. If Squarespace recognizes the domain as transferable, select Transfer Domain. You'll be asked for that authorization code from your current provider. Paste it into the field exactly as provided, then select Save and Continue. Squarespace will check the code and begin setting up the transfer. You'll see a screen to review and verify your contact information. Make sure your name, organization, if applicable, and email are accurate. Correct details now help avoid delays and ensure you receive any required approval emails. Next, confirm or add your payment details. You'll be billed for 1 additional year of registration with Squarespace, and that year is added to your current expiration date. Review your order carefully and confirm the transfer. Depending on your current provider, you may also receive an email asking you to approve the move. Approve it promptly to speed things up. Finally, wait for the transfer to complete. This can take from a few hours up to several days. You can check progress in your Squarespace account under Domains. Once it's done, your domain will be managed in Squarespace, and you'll handle renewals and DNS from there. That's it, you've transferred your domain to Squarespace successfully.